All right, we've got our special right triangles here, 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90. I'm gonna go ahead and label my other 45 and my 30 over here. We can only use these special right triangles when we know that their angles are what we expect them to be. Looking at this first one. I know the hypotenuse, I'm looking for the sides. What I always go back to is kind of that, the base triangle, the unit 45, 45, 90 triangle, 1, 1, square root of 2. I can set up my proportion and solve. I can also just take that 4 and divide it by square root of 2 to move back. I can't leave my answer like this, so I'm going to take this and multiply it by square root of 2 over square root of 2. That's going to give me 2 and 4 root 2. Those are going to simplify to just 2 root 2. Since 45, 45, 90, they are both the same. My 30, 60, 90. Again, I go back to thinking about kind of that unit 30, 60, 90 triangle. I'm going to try and draw it at that same orientation. Across from the 30 is my 1, across from the 90 is my 2, and across from the 60 is my square root of 3. So now, if I kind of take this, I know that half of my hypotenuse can get me back to my y, so half of 8 is 4 root 5. And then if I take that one side, the short leg, multiply it by the square root of 3, it'll get me to the long leg. And so I end up with 4 root 15. I can set up proportions to solve for these same things if that multiplying and dividing doesn't work for you. If you need something else, it's another great way to approach these problems.